Howdy y'all, it's Vanessa here with the Fort Worth Water Utility. Today we're gonna be playing Splash on the Street. 3 rounds of trivia, 2 questions wrong, you're out. If you get to the final round, the questions start to get subjective. We are in City Hall, so we do have to be a little quiet. Name 3 words that rhyme with leak. Too late and your rhyme game is weak. True or false, how big of a leak is a splash? That big, let's go. For a dollar, can you list 3 parts of a sprinkler system?
3 parts of a sprinkler system: the head, the isolation valve.
You're dumb and broke. All right, would you rather have lunch with your mom or splash?
My mom, for sure.
The correct answer was your mom. For a dollar, can you name just any man?
Any man.
Any man.
Chris Harder.
A man, Chris Harder, the man of the hour.
Yeah.
What is the only natural lake in Texas?
Cadillac.
A genius. Can you name an ocean? Your favorite ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Frank Ocean was the correct answer. Name 3 of the leakiest features in your house.
I don't have leaks in my house.
Your kids are the leakiest ones. For a dollar, can you name a rapper with the largest sprinkler system in the US? Here are your answer choices. Little Drip, Big Drip, Ludacris, or Ice Cube?
Ice Cube.
I love the enthusiasm, but you were incorrect, and no dollar for you. Fill in the blank. A leak in the yard is worse than a leak in the...
Bathroom.
And why is that? It stinks, doesn't it? Let's go. We're gonna catch them. Why do water jokes never work? They never land. And based off what we just saw, was that a number 1 or a number 2? Smells like a number 3. I called Chris Harder dumb. Is he gonna take that personally?